In this video, I'll guide you through how to listen to PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. Sometimes reading through a lengthy PDF can be overwhelming, and having the option to listen instead can make the process more manageable. Whether you're multitasking or just prefer auditory learning, Adobe Acrobat offers a handy feature called Read Out Loud that can convert written text into spoken words. Let's dive into how you can enable and use this feature. First, you'll want to have your PDF file ready and open it in Adobe Acrobat. Once your document is open, take a look at the top menu bar. Here, you'll find various options, but for our purpose, we need to focus on the View menu. Click on it and a drop-down list will appear. Now look for the Read Out Loud option. This is the feature that will allow your document to be read aloud to you. Hover over it, and you'll see an option to activate Read Out Loud. Click on this to enable the feature. Once Read Out Loud is activated, you have two choices for how you want your document to be read. If you only need to listen to the page you're currently viewing, you can select Read this page only. This will prompt Adobe Acrobat to start reading just the text on the current page. It's a great option if you're focusing on a particular section or if you're reviewing a specific part of a document. Alternatively, if you want to sit back and listen to the entire document, you can choose the Read to End of Document option. Selecting this will instruct Adobe Acrobat to begin reading from your current page all the way to the end of the PDF. This is particularly useful for lengthy documents, allowing you to absorb information without having to scroll through each page manually. Now, there might be times when you need to pause or stop the reading altogether. To do this, simply navigate back to the View menu, hover over Read Out Loud, and click on Stop. This will halt the reading process, allowing you to resume later or switch back to reading manually. And there you have it. Listening to PDFs in Adobe Acrobat is a straightforward process that can enhance your productivity and learning experience. Remember, this feature can be incredibly useful whether you're studying, working, or just trying to get through a lot of reading material without straining your eyes. Give it a try next time you're exploring a PDF and see how it can make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to explore more features in Adobe Acrobat that can make handling PDFs easier and more convenient for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.